In Minnesota, bail is actually a right in our state constitution. Judges have to set bail. What considerations does a judge have when setting bail? There are two. One is they have to determine, is this person going to come back to court? The second thing is this person a danger in our community? An important thing to understand about bail is that it is not punishment. Bail is only about making sure the person comes to court and that they will not be a danger to the community. A judge may not detain or hold somebody at the jail pending their resolution of their case because they are presumed to be innocent. A judge may release someone without bail. They may set conditions, meaning that they have to give up their passport or stay inside their house, or they can set money bail.